Welcome to Anna's Crafty Kitchen, where you can eat what you make. Ooh! Welcome to a new episode of Anna's Crafty Kitchen. This episode is going to be a different one because it's Halloween edition. My recipe for today is chocolate spiderwebs. First, let's get the table ready. For this recipe, I'm going to need some pretzel sticks, milk chocolate, or any chocolate, sprinkles, and some eyes. You can have edible eyes, which is better, but I have plastic ones. Let's begin. Take your pretzel sticks and arrange them in a cobweb. Now let's prepare the chocolate. I'm going to break it up into pieces and put it in this baking bag and then put it in the oven. Tie your bag so that the chocolate wouldn't leak. Now that my chocolate is melted, I'm going to cut a tiny part off the bottom and then do what I do. Finally, decorate your cobwebs with sprinkles. And now, let's put the eyes on. Put your cobwebs in the fridge so that the chocolate would go solid. Now that the cobwebs are ready, let's peel them off. Whoa. Look how cute they look. Time for the taste test. Wait. They're really good. This is how they look at the back. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. See you next time, bye! Let's tie, wait, no, not. Finally, wait. Hello. Pumpkin Man. And the Pumpkin Man baby. It's heavy.